This is Benja from Squel Talier. We're gonna be going to Cebu for the Jesuit House Project. These are the people that's gonna be coming with me to Cebu for a project. A 280-year-old house. We're gonna rebuild it. Say hello to Animal Planet. Hello. Alright. Here we are on the ship. Ocean Jet. I'm so stressed since last night. This was an 11th hour notice that I need to go with the students to Cebu for the Jesuit House Project, but let's see how it goes. Once the Seacraft is going to be going to the destination to Cebu, I'll be sleeping for a while. So restless, I'm sleepless, I'm so tired, so stressed. I just hope that everything will be well in Cebu. So yeah, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Video ni ha, video. Yeah, video ni. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Balik kayo may klaro.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Let's do this. Thank you. Alright. Our mini hotel. And guess what, guys? Shout out to Adrian, Arvin, Ressa, and Sam. Does that hotel look familiar to you guys? That's Verbena Hotel. Remember the days when we were still doing covers? We used to check in that hotel. I guess it was 2 times already. Yeah, so yeah. Taking our late lunch to Robinson's. Say hello to Animal Planet! Yeah, what a day. So sleepless last night, but well, that's part of the job. 11th hour notice for the trip to Cebu for the Jesuit House. Assist the students to their hotel and let them go to lunch and snacks, leave the money, the budget for them, for a taxi and for the food. So right now I'll be going home. I'll be sleeping again while the boat is sailing. So yeah, hope everything is well, and good after night or good night. I'll be sleeping. I'm so tired. What a day. Leaving now. Bye, Cebu. Will be back when I need to. It's almost night, so I'm gonna be there around 8, and hopefully I can still catch the jeepney to Maribold, but well, let's see. Once it's headed to Tagbilaran, I'll be sleeping. And there you go.